Okay, so let's start with the calendar. Right, calendar concept. What we need to know is that everybody know 1 week consists of how many days? 7 days. This everybody know, right? Now, the concept here is there are two types of year. Ordinary year ordinary year and then we have another leap year. So ordinary year we have 365 days. Leap year we have 366 days. The difference being, okay, so difference being ordinary year the February is comprises of how many days?
28.
But in the leap year, this will be 29 days. Aduna, akoina sida calendar ki question hot matamda we always use the concept of odd days. So what is odd days? Odd days ki concept mo ko na sinani. So odd days. Odd days is kem nate. Just divide this 365. Odd days is kem nate. Nangi remainder of 365 to the 7 na divide taurakanda kaya lemi habiduni. So what is the remainder? Here 1. Okay. And here, what is the remainder? Kya tane? 2 tane. So first you need to understand this, right? Can I go? 7 na divide taurakanda lember remainder do, that is our odd days. Aduna ordinary year I consider we have 1 odd day. Leap year though we will have 2 odd days. Okay, right. This is the one concept, right? Yanikon. Okay. Next term what we have in our this one question. Okay. Now leap year, how to find a leap year? That leap year has a kamina. So how to find, how to know a leap year? Okay, or how to determine a leap year? Leap year oy natraga oy de has a kamina khangadage, right? Okay, if I ask you 1990, is this leap year or not? Yes or no? 1990 has a leap year or year 1990. Is this a leap year or not?
No.
No.
No. And the reason being, the answer is no. And why is this not a leap year?
Because this 1994 divide we are this.
Okay, so this 1990 is not divisible by 4. 4 na divide to year, that is not a leap year. Okay, that means this 1990 will comprise of how many days? 365 days. Okay. So this is one more concept. So leap year kamai khangani haitadi. We have to check the year is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, that year is leap year. If it is not, then it is not a leap year. Okay. Right. Yamna in detail the chatpa kanade just akoina darkar oiba examination point of view degi darkar oiba basic dudang tausi, because you are not going to formulate a new formula or a theory. Okay, that is the work for us like teachers. Okay, another concept, another all you have to do is apply what is already there. From examination point of view, the question. Okay, right? So you are not going to create anything new, right? Okay, let's do something. Yanika, okay. Simple okay. So let me move to the next one. Right. 100 years. 100 year the has, sorry, 100 year has 5 odd days. 100 year has the kaya like have a, or 100 year has a what we call this as a century.
1 century.
Century the 5 odd days like, right? So if 1 century has 5 odd days, right, then 200 year that is how many odd days? Tell me.
10.
10. That is the land. Okay, what you are doing is multiplying by 2. That's okay. 10 days like any, but 10 days I have the odd days actually this is 10 days. But odd days put okay remember.
3 odd days.
3 odd days. Okay. Similarly, 300 years will have how many? Actually 15, right? 100 years of 5, right? And then divided by 7, remainder of. So it will be 1 day. How about 400 years? How about 400 years? 400 years a day. How many odd days we will have? Tell me. Here it is very interesting. How many odd days will it have? How much?
400 years.
400 years the odd days ke Allah kada ke have.
6 odd day.
6. Okay, that is not the correct answer. Actually, it doesn't work that way. So 4 multiplied remember 400 year will have how many odd days? 0 odd days. Okay. So it doesn't work like that. 3, 2, up to 300 multiply but here multiply it will be 20, right? So 6 odd days lakani, and that is not the correct answer. So you have to watch out here. Okay, right? So method is different. I think 100 years but all you have to remember is that 400 year 0 odd days have that. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. So minor work to the study. Okay, that calculation I'm not going to show you. I think Canada just all you have to remember is that 100 years the 5 odd days like any 400 years that you'll have 0 odd days, right?
100 5 odd day kai hai
5 odd days haibagi art the young
100
year haibaze actually is the leap year haibam like any non leap year haibam like any, right? Non leap year kya like any or ordinary year kya like any stum like ordinary year and the leap year. So 76 odd like any is then how many? 24 leap year like any. Okay, from that we calculated 5 odd days. 5 odd days odd days is the day calculator. So odd days plays an important role in calendar. So please remember this 100 year has 5 odd days. That's all. Kamaila inohadi Somaila Akoni 76 and leap year. Then ordinary year gi among nang odd day putoni, leap year gi among odd day putoni, right? So kaya leap year is 2 day and 2 na multiply tornis the nang 1 na multiply tornis for 76 plus 48 some torni, and then you have to find again how many odd days. Divide by 7 torag. So that is a very long process. You don't need to know all these things. All you have to know is that 400 years that you have 0 odd days, 100 year you'll have 5 odd days. That's all. यानीको अदुगा फरे सिमुक्तंग ngasiगी tausi okay one more ai monkey monkey torom siko okay so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Right. January consists of how many? 31 days. So how many odd days then it will be?
3.
Odd days putoks. Odd days will be
3 days.
February it will be 28 or 29 depending on leap year or not. Okay. So here it will be how many? 28 or 0. 29 or 1 odd days. March, how many days? 31, right? So here it will be 3. April, 30. So how many odd days? 2.
3.
Right? May, 31. So it will be 3, right? How about June? 30. So it will be 2 odd days. July, how much? 31. So number of odd days will be 3. Okay, how about August? 30 or 31? 31. Okay, remember this. July and August. 31 and 31. Okay, so here will be 3, right? Then September. September 30 days. The number of odd days will be 2. October 31st. So you will have 3. November 30. So you will have 2 odd days. And December 31st. So you will have 3. So remember this concept, right? And then days right? Yaniko, yam live chapter yam all you have to do is that remember the odd days. Odd days combine have the you can easily solve the question paper, right? Yareko. Okay, so let's wind up our session for here today. Okay. And thank you once again for listening, right?
Thank you, sir.
And have a great day.